Hello guys, this is Rinki Yadav and I'm going to explain about my project which is Secrets Act. You can share your secret, you can read about other secret, but you cannot just know who has posted that secret. So first of all, I'm going to explain everything about my secret, how you're going to log in, how you're going to register, what are validation, what are authentication we have added to it. So first of all, I'll start with my home page. So as you can see, this is my home page and there is a two button, one for register and second one for login. So first of all, you have to register. If you want to see the secret, if you want to land on the page where everyone has shared the secret, first you have to log in. So you have to register. Okay. So here you have to register. You can register with any new ID, or you can just register with your Google ID or Facebook ID, whatever you want, whatever you are comfortable with. You can go for any one of these. So here I am going to show you how you can register, locally register. So first of all, we will go for email. So see here email, and I'll add some password, and here also add some password. Yeah. So now when I'll register, you can see this flash message. Please lengthen this text to be 6 character at least. Okay, so if your password is less than 6 length, then it is not going to accept your password, because we have added backend and front end both validation. So it will accept your password when it is more than 6 length or equal to 6 length. So here, as you can see, there is a ria@gmail.com. So if I am going to remove this ad, what's going to happen? Now see, it is also asking, because this is email, so it should require ad. If you are not going to add that, that will also tell you some error. Okay. So here add, sorry, and you can say some other name, because I have already registered with Ria. So you can give some other name like Riya's. Okay. Now we'll add the password. Same password you have mentioned in first password, because if password is not going to match, it will throw you error. So now we are going to register and we will land up on some new page where we'll see other secret, and also we can submit our own secret. So here you can see home page. If you click on home page, you will go to register and login page. If you click on register, what will happen? You will go to the register. But here about, there is a something we have written about this app, and there is a contact us. So their authors and developers address is given, email address and number is given. Okay. So now I'll tell you, see. So there we have already registered. Okay. So now we'll go for login, because we have registered, so we don't have to register again. Okay. So what was our, yeah, so we'll register, we will log in first, and there will be the password whatever you have registered before, same password required. You are land upon. Okay. Once you are registered, you don't have to register again and again. Once you are registered, you can just directly go to the on login page, and you can just, you will land upon secret. So here is our secret page. If you want to just read and log out, you can do that. It's up to you. And if you want to submit your secret, here easily you can submit your secret, whatever your secret is. So like I hate class, and then you can submit here, and you will see whatever secret will post it soon. I mean, it will, like if you have posted before, that will go down, and if you posted before some time ago, it will come first. Okay, so here I hate liars, and there is a lot of secrets. These are written by someone, but you cannot just know that who is sharing their secret here. Okay, because this is totally authenticated, and here we are keeping secret that about, we are not revealing users, okay, who is posting all this. Okay, so now if secret is going many more people are going to share this secret, then you can just enroll next, and you can just go to the last page and you can just see all the secrets. Okay, now once you are log out, you will land upon home page. Okay, but if you will just click login, and if you click on sign with Google, you can sign with Google or sign with Facebook, this is same only. We have used OAuth strategy passport JS because this one is more secure, and for this also, for local registration and login, we have used same passport JS because this is more secure and you can just give your users more security. So I'm going to sign up with Google, and here I'll click sign up with Google. As I'm already signing, so it will just go to there, and it will not ask me ID and password because I'm already signed in. So here, see, you are successfully registered. So so now you can just go through all the secret, and you can just post your secret. And once you are done with reading all the secret and posting your own secret, you can just log out, and you will again land up on home page. So here is all about my app. And in future updation, we can do just, we can add a comment section, we can add share section, and we can also add what statuses for Twitter, LinkedIn, and all other, social media things. And we can also provide the, emails uploader folder, and then we can also provide a user to, if they want share any videos with their secret, or if they want share any emails with their secret, they can share it. So yeah, this was all about my app. Thank you all.